Okay, let's go on this side for me.
Okay.
Good, so we're gonna go here, here, crisscross, hold it. I'm gonna bring this elbow up a little bit. There you go, good. And just let it rock and roll. Good. I'm gonna give you a quick little push with my knee on your knee there. Good, oh, baby. So we're gonna give a little push here. Okay, you're gonna hear a little pop right up there. Good.
Oh, heard it.
Good, we'll go one more time. Baby. Beautiful.
Okay, so I'm sitting while I'm waiting for my lift. Oh, I feel so good. I feel relieved. This is good. Now I'm on my way to my MRI. I need an MRI on my mid-back. So let's see how that goes. Keep coming. Everything will be good and I'll be healing.